Hey guys, today I've got a 55-inch Tcl TV with a black screen problem that have sound but no picture. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem at home. No need to pay hundreds of dollars to TV technicians. Now I will press the power key from the remote. Display comes for a while and literally goes off. Thus we can assume its backlights are faulty. Before we move to the next step, it is requested to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for my latest video updates. Now we'll start opening the back case. Detach the power jack and put the back cover aside. Now open small screws on all four sides of the TV. Take care of TV screen while doing the job. I have put mattress underneath the TV to avoid any damage to screen. Now detach all the flex cables from the panel side. Remove any tape affixed on scalar PCB. Next, turn the TV and remove its front bezel. Before we move to the next part, I will share a tip that always take help from your friend or a family member to lift the panel screen, because it is very delicate and two persons will manage it easily to lift it and again install it because of its size. I have lifted the panel with the help of my friend, and now I am lifting the panel support. After removing the plastic fittings, then lift the reflecting papers. Now the backlights are visible. These are responsible for the black screen. I will check them one by one with the help of LED backlight tester. After removing the plastic support for panel and the reflecting paper. Guys, if you don't have LED backlight tester at home, I will share the video link how to make LED backlight tester at home in the description and on the I button. So you can easily make it with 2 or 3 parts that are easily available in any house. Now remove the reflecting paper. Guys, I will check the backlight strips one by one with LED tester. First strip is okay and all lights are glowing. We are getting 22.7 volts on the LED tester. That means that each lens have 6 volt and a little voltage drops due to the bulbs connected in series. Check the next one, it is okay. The next, it is also good. Guys, this strip is not glowing. So we have got the culprit and we need to change this one. Check our remaining strips. These all are good. Guys, at this point you have two choices. Replace the single strip that is not working or replace all the strips to avoid the black screen problem again in near future. It all depends on you but it is good to replace all lights. Guys, I have changed the faulty strip. Single strip cost only $1. Now attach the power jack and on it to check that lights are working or not. Press the power key. Guys, you can see that all lights are working. Now it is good to assemble this TV. Install all the supports and fittings in order as we have removed. Put the reflecting paper back and install the panel support next. Place the panel screen carefully with the help of your friend well inside all four corners. Attach the front bezel panel support. Then turn the TV and install all side screws. Attach the flex cables to the scaler PCB carefully. Connections are done, viewers. Put the back cover, fix all screws, and then check the final result. I have pressed the power key and you can see that display have come back and black screen problem is fixed now. I have given you a detailed guidance on how to fix the black screen problem of 55-inch Tcl TV. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If yes, then like it. And in case of any questions, feel free to ask in comment section. I will be happy to reply them. Take care and goodbye, friends.